Dialed. Good morning. Day 4 of this, part 4, I guess, of this CTF. Is today the day we prove greatness with our SQL injection abilities through MP3 file metadata? I don't know. We'll just have to see how it unfolds. But we're going to come at this in a much more methodical approach. And we're going to try and get this going. Let's get our cherry tree rocking. Alright. We were spamming yesterday. We're going to take a better approach. We have our break2 file. And we have this query that goes through, but it won't retrieve anything. We can validate this again by creating a new unique file. Let's select the shell, upload, unknown. That is not a Boolean value. We need this to be a 1 or a 0. And instead of just spamming it, we're gonna do our research. We're gonna take a sound approach to this. SQL column retrieval. Actually, Boolean injection returning null SQL. It was 0 and 1s before. I find it hard that as soon as we get to columns, it doesn't want to do Boolean anymore. We need to figure out why that query can't accurately parse column names. But where's our table name one? This works for tables. And what happened between these two was we added information schema columns. Maybe it's improper permissions? I really don't know. But the difference was select column name from schema columns isn't gonna play. So we need to, maybe the query is too long. Maybe that's a possibility. It won't return a value because it gets cut off. What about this? I'm sure we can condense this down. I wonder if maybe it's too long. But then, what if I completely misspell a word, right? What if instead of substring, I just do upstring? Interesting. So that shouldn't have worked. Even if I misspell this, I think it's too long. I think that's what our issue is. What about that? We'll parse that as a valid query. Still unknown. That's still playing too. What about that? None of these are valid queries. There we go. Okay, so I think it is just too long. How to condense SQL injection statement. I wonder if there are acronyms or other references we can use instead of what we have now. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. What up, Hunter? Oh yeah, we're coming in dialed. We are in there like swimwear. Leave me alone. So I was testing this statement, and it's an invalid statement through and through. And then I shrunk it, and I eliminated enough keywords that it triggered an error, which makes me think that the statement is too long. So I need to either figure out a naming convention. I just need to shrink this SQL query way down. How to shorten SQL query statement. So I feel like there's gotta be a way. SQL, MySQL, shorthand name for column name, table schema. Just seeing if there's like a TS or something. Aliases. Ah. Okay, so what's our valid query? Table schema A and table name A. Select D upon I use D. general alias is select star from table name. So I don't think that really sure. Is it that much? Don't run Kali as your main OS. Yeah, exactly what Hunter said. Ubuntu's fine. Even Parrot's still like a red teaming OS. I do Ubuntu. That's what I use. It's great to learn on. This query is too long. Select D.department name. It's too long. Where table name? Equals audio edit. I think that's still too long though. Error. Really? And table underscore schema. It could be that 1-in-1 issue. No, that works. Really? File exists. No, error. Leave me alone. Yeah, for real, Hunter. Okay, so it doesn't like that. I have to mention from information underscore schema dot columns where can select be viewed as SCL? Our table name is audio edit and table underscore schema audio edit. I wish I could just do like CN for column name. Unknown author. Yeah, I think it's because look, I can do like that a completely invalid query. And it says unknown author. This makes me think that this is too long and it won't parse the whole thing. Does SCL work for select? No. It's too long. What does cell do? Oh, it does work. Okay, legacy syntax. Legacy syntax. SQL legacy syntax for information schema columns. Legacy syntax MySQL. We need to shorthand everything. What up, Sniper? Yo, we're rocking today. So we know cell works for select. Legacy syntax shorthand. MySQL col, short for column. We need to shorten this. Select column name from information schema. Columns. SQL. Syntax for where short. What is the difference? Oh. Let's do this. What are syntax methods in SQL to make a statement shorter? Like instead of saying and, can I use ampersand or call for column or something shorter for information schema columns? I need to make queries shorter. I need to know shorthand syntaxes. Yes, yeah, there was a strike for a song, this one, that is eligible for revenue sharing. Pretty ridiculous. Ooh. From select column. information schema columns as call where table name equals A and table schema equals A as audio edit. That's a pretty out of pocket query, but we'll try it. Unknown still, it's still too long. Sub. Unknown, still too long. I wonder how long. Maybe I should do it like that. It's still too long though. Yeah. We need to shorten this. Is there an alias for information schema columns? No, but you can use table aliases within your query referencing. Ooh, hold on, I kind of like that. Or select substring, select. Oh, really? What was that? Select column from a select. A column for information columns, information schema columns. As C, really select C.call. Column name from information schema columns as C. Oh. Where C dot table underscore name equals audio edit. Ooh, this looks good. Damn it. I mean, we have a few characters to spare. Unknown now. Because see, now once we get to unknown, we know that we've already passed the max query because we can insert literally anything and it'll say unknown. Leave me alone, alone, alone. So we need to drop back to select substring. Is that how many characters? Nope, that's still too much. What up, Gecko? I don't want to die. What about substring? How close are we to this max? Oh, we're like right there. Okay. Where's C? We need to include table schema. Table name is audio edit and table schema is audio edit instead of saying where table underscore name equals audio edit and table schema equals audio edit. How can I condense that? Ah. Column name slash C dot data type. I mean, we're assuming it's a string. That's too long still. Yeah, it should be a pretty easy day. Still wrapping up work, which is why I've been so busy. Got a busy week next week planned. Oh, that's why I've been trying to stream as much as I can. This is still too long. Oh, could I use author and title? Could I do that? We'll play another song. Something that's rev shared. Or no rev, just any song. Turned off ads now because of this. Just fine. Screw ads. Oh wait. I know what I want to listen to. That's fine. Where's the remix? Is it this Suzanne Vega one? Yeah. There we go. Yeah, I've been slamming pill smoothies trying to get rid of this cold. Could we use both?
For the man to pour the coffee, and he feels it only halfway. And
No
before
way,
I
right?
even argue, he's looking out the It is always nice to see you, says the man behind the counter to the woman who is coming. She's shaking her umbrella. And I look
It's
the
too
other way
long.
as they are kissing their hellos, and I'm pretending not to see them.
It's too long.
And instead I pull the milk.
This made it longer.
Oh no, it is always nice to see you.
Still too long. How do we condense that? Alright, so that didn't work, but we still need to condense down this query because it's too long. So we need to select substring was valid. Okay, so that doesn't even make a difference. Let's get rid of that. Let's keep it as short as possible. Select column name.
I am sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner. I am waiting at the counter for the man to pour the coffee. And he fills it only halfway. And before I even argue, he is looking out the window at somebody coming in.
So we don't want a table name. We already know the table name. Information underscore schema. Columns. Where column underscore name.
It is
Flag.
nice to see you, says the man behind the counter to
Do
the
we just have
woman
to
who
test
is
keywords now?
coming. She's shaking her umbrella. And I look the other way
select column name from information schema columns.
And instead I put the
Where column name equals file. What about audio edit?
Oh no, it is always nice to see you. It's 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 always nice to see you.
For schema.
Nice to see you. It's
Audio edit. I'm just trying to think of ways to condense it. That's what we got to figure out. Why? Because we know table name is that. What if we did this? What if we had an offset?
always nice to see you. It's always nice to see you.
Okay, so there's only one table. If I do G, the offset doesn't even matter. There's one database. Yeah. Okay, there's one database and one table. That's what we do know. We can confirm that, so we're not missing another part. What we need to do is condense that statement. Select substring, select column name from information schema columns. Where table underscore schema, maybe? Maybe it doesn't like cell. Okay, so that still will play.
I am sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner. I am waiting at the counter for the man to pour the coffee. And he feels it only halfway.
How can we condense? Oh, the statement's fine at this point. Now it's just not even. Okay, and substring works in 4.0. What about just standard substring? That's too long. Okay, so what if I drop this cell? There. Okay. Or select substring.
Nice to see you. Says the man behind the counter to the woman who is coming. She's shaking.
I wonder what these default values are. And I guess, does limit even matter? If we do
the other way, as they are kissing their hellos.
where was the one we just had?
Pretending not to see them.
If we do this,
And instead I
but we get rid of limit, does that still apply? Yeah, it does. Okay. Okay, so we know we can remove limit, at least maybe. You're inserting into database. Select column name from information schema columns. Or table underscore name. We can condense substring. If there's only one, do you always have to say information schema columns? Or is there shorthand? Oh. That's why.
Oh, it is always nice to see
table name equals audio edit. Oh, is it case sensitive? Do you think it could be a capital thing? And again, my belief of why this is going on, because once it says unknown author, we can type literally whatever we want into this query. You can see it's complete bullshit. And then when we run it, it plays. So if it's X amount of characters, it just says see you later.
I am sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner. I am waiting at the counter for the man to pour the coffee. And he fills it only halfway, and before I even argue,
Table schema.
he's looking out the window and somebody coming in.
Is it possible? How to test for case sensitivity from this? This works, but how can I tell if it is possibly an
It
uppercase?
is always nice to see you, says the man behind the counter to the woman who is coming. She's shaking her umbrella. And I look the other way as they are kissing their hellos. And I'm pretending not to see them.
I mean, yeah, if I do
And
capital I,
instead I pull the milk.
okay, I don't think it's case sensitive. Not case sensitive. We have a limit on characters, but we need to specify. I shouldn't even need to have to query. Maybe I do need to do table schema then. Always nice to see you. Thank you, Gecko. Let's just see what it says. Really? Unknown author. Ooh. Select substring. That's tricky. Unknown. Select substring column name 1 from information schema columns where table schema is audio edit and table schema. That really works. We need to condense this even more. Is that really a valid, interesting. So that's that. Can we get a character count? 47? 49. This is longer? Oh wait, no. Can I get a count?
And instead I pour the milk.
Select. Okay. Select. Let's bring this down here again, and then let's tweak this a bit from information schema columns or table schema. Let's get rid of that. Let's throw that right here. Column name. Where table name equals audio. Let's try this. I like that. trying to condense this query statement. It needs to be another subquery like that. Error inserting into database. What does it not like? Maybe it's the SCL. Oh. Third table name equals audio.
I am sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner. I am waiting at the counter for the man to pour the coffee. And he feels it only halfway. And before I even argue, he's looking out the window at somebody coming.
Too long. Dang it. Where's the Discord?
It is always nice to see you, says the man behind the counter to the woman who is coming. She's shaking her umbrella. And I look the other way as they are kissing their hellos. And I'm pretending not to see them. And instead I pull the milk. Oh no, it is always nice to see you. 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 It is always nice.
I get to
Always nice to see you. Always nice to see you. It is always nice. Oh, it is always nice.
It's still too long. How do we condense that even more? I mean, how we saw columns work. Here are the columns available. You know, I like this. I want to get like all of this.
Oh, it is always nice.
It's just a nice reference to know what's going on behind the scene.
It's always nice to see you.
Oh, that does not scale correctly. There we go. So we need to match at least table name. We're trying to retrieve column name. What is table catalog? Where's the database query?
I am sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner. I am waiting at the counter for the man
Select
to pour the
substring.
And he fills it only halfway. And before
What
I even
other
argue,
information do we
he's
want?
looking out the window at somebody coming in.
I mean, what if we literally just did that? Is this illegal? It's not pushing anything out.
It is always nice to see you, says the man behind the counter to the woman who is coming. She's shaking her umbrella.
Okay, so
And I
let's
look
do
the other way,
table
and
underscore
they
schema.
actually say their hellos, and I'm
Oh, it's
pretending
not working now.
not to see them.
Substring
And
database.
instead I pour the milk.
Okay, that works.
Oh no, it is always nice to see you.
Database, table schema.
It's always nice to see you. It's always nice to see you. It's always nice. Always nice to see you.
Between schema and database.
It's always nice.
Schema is better than database. Last schema is synonymous with database. You can substitute the keyword schema instead of database. This table underscore schema equals same as database. Database name? Difference between a table, a database, and a schema. A table is a collection of data. Database is a collection of tables. A schema is a way to logically group objects such as tables, views, and other database objects.
Oh, it is always nice to see you.
So we have the database.
It's always nice to see
It's a way to group objects within the database. There's table, schema, same as database. I found the SQL injection, substrings of database, but to query through that, I have to say table underscore schema equals name I found. The function database in SQL returns the name of the current selected database within table schema that a table belongs to within the information schema tables. Database gives you the name of the current database, and you use this name of table schema to query information on tables in the database. That was probably pretty loud. Gives you the name of the current database, and you use this name within table schema. Oh, we can try that. Yeah, okay, let's try that. Where table schema is database and table name is audio edit. I think it's still gonna be too long. Unknown, yeah. Unknown. Where table name is audio edit and 1 equals 1.
And instead I pour the milk.
I don't like this build. Give me mine back. Or wait, no, we got a good one now. Here, inserting into database. Convert SQL data type to. What up, Nat? Yeah, dude, it's insane. I'm not touching grass for a minute. How can I make sure the substring character is comparable to B? Make sure its data type is compared to B. Or select cast. Really? Okay, so we also had missed this. Where we have select substring, select column name from information schema columns where table name is audio edit. 1, 2, 3. Here. What if we do A? Alright, how about this?
I am waiting at the counter for the man to pour the coffee. And he feels it only halfway. And before I even argue, he's looking out the window at somebody coming in.
table underscore schema. Audio edit.
It is always nice to see you. Says the man behind the counter.
Unknown title.
The woman who is coming. She's
I thought that was gonna be longer. Oh wait, hold on. We know the columns, I think, author and title, right?
as they are kissing their hellos.
Hold on, MySQL, select
Not to see them.
info from columns blind.
And instead I pour the milk.
Blind Boolean SQL injection. Hold on, wait. History, graph, where, column name equal. Here we go. Where column name equals author. Okay. T title. Maybe we're onto something. I mean, that's got to be a name of the title, right? Yes. It is. Okay, so if we do like you, and if we change this to 2. Yep. So if we change this to a different character, we got it. This should be a 0. Give me a 0. Yes. We were trying to guess the column names we had them the entire time. I would have thought they would try and be sneaky, but they weren't. Okay, so yeah, huge W. Big W for the fellas. We love that. Column name equals author title. Okay, so this works.
I am sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner.
We didn't need to do that.
At the counter.
That's why it was a data error, because it was too long to parse, but we just had to guess it, the column name. We don't need that. Oh wait, maybe we do need that? No, that was wrong. Select table name, that's right. That's wrong. That's wrong. So it was select table name, select database. And then our final query was right there. Select substring, column name, author. Okay. So we need to parse the values within author and title. How can we?
And instead I pour the milk.
It's always nice to see you. Test for select substring from retrieving column data. Select author from audio edit where title equals flag. I'm assuming the title is going to be flag. I didn't like that. Select author from oh wait, let's try this also. Where column name equals flag. What? But it liked author. I just added that extra on work, so it'll pass through. Okay, so if we do column name like title, like T. Okay. Sanity check. We're good. So now we need to parse the column information. substring. Select title. Select author from title. Where title equals flag. Where title equals CTF. Select author from title. Okay, so do we need a fuzz for words? Okay, so we know author and title exist. Now we have to is this guy's name? ARX, ENIX, Arxenix. Select title from audio edit where author equals ARX, ENIX. Okay, so what if we do select author from audio edit where title equals flag? Nope. Select author from audio edit where maybe that's not the right where title equals flag. Maybe it's a broken query. Select substring, select author. From table audio edit. Users is the table. Select title where select title from audio edit. What about just that? Busted. Yeah. Select substring. Select column name. Try to work. See a net. Select substring. Select title from audio edit. Select row values from a certain row 1 value from column. Let's go.
I am sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner. I am waiting at the counter for the man to pour the coffee. And he feels it only halfway. And before I even argue, he is looking out the window at somebody coming in.
Title from audio edit. Group by title. Nope.
It is always nice to see you, says the man behind the counter to the woman who is coming. She's shaking her umbrella. And I love
Select substring. Why is this double bracketed?
their hellos, and I'm pretending not to see them. And instead I pour the milk.
Okay, how about that? Error. Select substring. Select title. I was trying to get rid of limit 1. Oh. SQL injection, select by row number. In this subquery, row number is created by defining the order you expect. Interesting. Select we don't want to get the row number though. Select substring, select author. Huh. What do I look up? Select substring, select. Can I just get the first one? Select author from audio edit. It needs to return a Boolean value. Is it a string issue? No. Select author from audio edit. Where title equals test. Okay, so what if I do this? What if I upload a song and I call it test? Okay. Where title equals test. We know that's a valid file now. It did not like it. What about test? I bet you it is case sensitive. Maybe select author from audio edit where title. No. We know it's a valid file. And we can look back at our winning query. Select substring, select column name from columns. Author. Column name is author. Column name is title. So now we need to parse those two. Alright. MySQL. retrieving column data, MySQLi.
I am sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner. I am waiting at the counter for the man
that's
to
not
pour
that
the
bad.
coffee. And he feels it only halfway. And before I even argue, he's looking out the window at somebody coming in.
Keyword can be used to identify. But it returns the entire row. Select subquery. Select author.
It is always nice to see you, says the man behind the counter to the woman
From audio data, where title equals test.
and I look the other way.
Order by
As they are kissing their hellos, and I'm pretending not to see them. And instead I put
author. Interesting. Select author from audio. Order by author. Is it a union? Or is there another column? If we want to select author from table audio edit, where title equals test, order by author. I guess to do this. Another subquery, and then it'll order by after? No. Order by title? Order by ID? I feel like, is this not gonna be fuzzing? We know it's author, we know it's title. Where title equals 1 equals 1. What if I just do that? Maybe he doesn't like the order by. No. Where title equals 1 equals 1. And table underscore schema equals audio edit. Nope.
And he feels it only halfway, and before I even argue, he is looking out the window at somebody coming in.
Huh. Select column name from columns where column name is author.
Says the man behind the counter to the woman who is coming. She's shaking her umbrella. And I love
I know the column is author. Ooh.
and I'm pretending.
Do I though? Is it authors? No, because that worked. So it can't be. Because if I do authors, plural, it should be 0. Oh. Oh, it doesn't work, yeah. Because that doesn't exist. But if we do that, that works. So column name equals ID. Genre, I think it's just gonna be genre or title and author, where column name equals title. Yeah, title works. Where column name equals file. Oh, file works. Really? Files won't play. Interesting. Okay, so file is also a valid. So let's do this. Let's do something crazy. Let's find the length of file. Select length. Select. Is it just gonna be 4? I didn't even do that right. Select column name from information schema columns. Where column name? Oh yeah, that worked though. This works.
It is always nice to see you. Says the man behind the counter to the woman who is coming.
Where column name equals file. Okay, so if I do where column name equals file, and if I do I, file already exists. Oh. Yeah, okay. So column name is file. Column name's quite a slew of stuff. Select author from audio edit. What up, Droid? From audio edit. Where oh wait, where file equals flag? Where file equals CTF. Or what about flag.mp3? Because every file has a .mp3 extension. Nope. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see. I literally turned off monetization for this. So we can play the song. Come on now. Dude. So frustrating. It'll be back. What is with all of these? Classic. All right.